Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to enable the Warn About Malicious Sites feature in the Samsung Internet browser. This feature helps protect you from potentially harmful websites. So, let's get started. First, open the Samsung Internet browser on your device. Next, look for the three horizontal lines in the lower right corner of the screen. This will open the menu. Tap on it to proceed. In the menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a list of options that allow you to customize the browser to your liking. Once in the settings, scroll down a little further and tap on Privacy Dashboard. This section holds all the important security features that protect your browsing experience. Now, look for the option that says Warn About Malicious Sites. You'll see a toggle next to it. Simply turn the toggle on to enable the feature. And that's it. With this setting enabled, the Samsung browser will warn you whenever you visit a site that may be dangerous. It's a great way to keep your browsing safe and secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips like this. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.